guys, I'm back with another video today. Today's video, well, I actually did a video earlier, but this video is going to be a seafood boil. It's not a real big one, just a small one. I had a taste for some crawfish, and I got some smoked crab and some corn. So yeah, where I'm at is like it's seafood season, so it's like expensive as AF, but I still want to get me some. I got me some scissors. Probably won't need a little tray for my trash, some napkins, and my butter, y'all. Look at that. And my butter is Old Bay, garlic, onion. Old Bay, garlic, onion, Tony sachet for spicy, and some red pepper. Really simple. And I got me blueberry spirits slush from Mickey D's. And I got this big shirt on over my dress because I don't want to mess the dress up. Excuse the lightning, y'all. I should have cut my light on, but it's okay. So, let's get started. Look at that steam. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so hungry, y'all. Well, I ate today, but I've been eating here and there because I wanted to save my appetite for this. I knew I was going to have it today. Okay? I want to put this where y'all can see it, but unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get all of it. Okay? Take my ring off. Okay, I put my trash bin right here. Off to my side. I need to close the button. So how about I trade this out like that? Yes. There we go. Okay, y'all. This is gonna have to do. Trying to make way for everything. And look at these. These some pretty nice size claws on these crawfish, baby. And I got a funny story. This is my grace. Okay. I did not like these things at first, okay? Look how big they is. You can break the meat from the inside. Hot though. I did not like crawfish. Just for the sake of looking at them made my skin crawl. But I tried them in my buffet. It's called, we got a buffet here called King Buffet, and they do like seafood, green lip mussels, crawfish, all that good stuff, shrimp. So I tried them there for the first time, and when I tell y'all, so good. Haven't got comfortable enough yet to suck the head and all that, but I eat that tail. That didn't sound right, but y'all know what I mean. I mess with the crawfish. And now that I know how to cook them in my own liking, I really be tearing them up. Well, I'm gonna really be tearing them up. This is actually my first time actually trying them at home. And look at that meat, y'all. I'm trying to let y'all have a bite. So it's Friday, so busy. Had a lot of, well, we didn't have a lot to do today, but where I stay in Memphis, Tennessee, we out here working on these crawfish, you know. They're working on, see, I ain't with sucking head and all that, but I break into this tail. Anyway, they're working on construction and everything like that. So, it's hectic. Like it's busier than a normal Friday would be here because it's a lot of people taking detours and everything due to construction. So it's just a lot. I was out no more than I think an hour, hour and a half today, and it just felt like I was out for forever just due to traffic. But it was worth it because I got my seafood, and it makes me happy. So I have to make sure I get all the boo boo out. I don't know about y'all, but I can't. I don't even eat it. I have to have my shrimp deveined. But look at that. These claws kind of tiny. But yeah, so far so good. Day went pretty good. I tried to get a lot of cleaning done today around the house since we got the grocery shopping out the way and everything. That never really works out because on Fridays I usually end up waking up late. I have to take my husband to work, and once I get back home I end up falling back to sleep, and it's the kids be up and it just be so hard. Oh, look at that, y'all. To clean and do all that with them around the house. So I don't get as much done as I would like, but tomorrow will be a better day. Saturdays I'm more laid back. He takes the car to work. I wake up when I wanna before the kids get up, and I get up and clean the house. So I think that's what my day gonna consist of tomorrow. I really wish y'all could have some of this with me. Comment below what y'all eating with me. Ooh, look at that one. These clouds are pretty small too. But I only fight with them clouds if they worth fighting with. I can't do all that extra stuff. Chewing and biting. I do want to get straight to my food. Even though I have to do that with crab legs. Still. Ooh, yeah, I just don't even understand. I feel so bad for just not, words can't even describe how I feel. Like, just owning myself with these for so long, like, hurts my feelings. So good though. Yeah. I think I might make me a drink or two tonight. Just chillax. Make me some popcorn. Watch a movie or two. Ooh, I'll take these. They're kind of big. Yeah, just, I don't know, chillax. I'm still learning with these crawfish, y'all. Don't come for me in the comments. Look how big these are. They're like, that's a nice size. Come for me about you eating it wrong and peeling it wrong, and baby, I don't do boo-boo. So for one, We gotta get that cleared away.
Mom,
What?
no bugs.
A lot of bugs. It's my son, y'all. Want some?
Want some crabs.
You want some crabs? Okay. Look there, got the dome.
Hey, hey. Mom, crabs.
Let me break some, okay?
Okay.
Hot.
And hold the crabs.
Hold on. Let me get some. Okay. Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Ooh, the pepper is back in my throat. Didn't come out as spicy as I thought it was gonna be. Still good though. Yes. But I don't know what I was talking about before my son came in, y'all. He didn't even like crab legs at first, y'all. He was scared of them. But one day I broke through to him and I broke it out the shell. And I was like, here, taste it. It's good. Dipped in a little garlic butter. It's a regular garlic butter. He's been hooked ever since. I kid you not. Here's some of this corn. Ooh, drip. I know it's hot. I know it's hot. Let me see if I can try to bite it. I popped myself in the eye, y'all. It never fails when I'm eating seafood. I end up popping myself in the face with something. But I've been debating on what I'm gonna do for at school. My son, he will be 4 in November. A lot of people say, well, why you just want to put him in school? Well, for one, his birthday's late, so I have to enroll him next year. But I'm trying to find a pretty good, decent daycare where I know they're they're strict on their curriculum with their age group in between 3 to 4 years of age. That's until I can get them in school. So it's a lot of work, but oh my goodness, y'all just don't know how bad I've been feeling for this. If you a seafood lover, you understand just what I mean. I like mussels, but I won't eat them all the time. Yeah, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Might have to cut it short. I want to do it in. Last time I did an Etsy video and I uploaded it. Still, I was recording and right in the middle, I got my charger and it died on me. So I don't want that mistake on this. So I'm constantly watching percentage because I don't want it to do that. It's gonna be right after corn. It's just gonna be right. Oh. I could grab more napkins.
More crabs. More corn, please.
Yeah.
No more corn.
I can never have anything by
I
myself.
don't want more corn. No more corn, that means that they eat corn.
You know how something's so good you just don't have words?
Don't even
That's kind of how I am right now.
I got no more corns. That corn.
But
Want some corn, please? Want some corn, please?
okay, hold on, baby. Pretty much gonna end this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified for all my latest videos. Comment and share. And I'll see you guys next video.
Bye.